Welcome to Read in Minutes. Here's a short summary of the book, Eating on the Wild Side: The Missing Link to Optimum Health by Joe Robinson. If you enjoy it, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. Joe Robinson's Eating on the Wild Side delves into the fascinating history of how the fruits and vegetables we eat today have drastically changed from their wild ancestors. The book argues that the process of domestication and selective breeding has stripped many modern crops of their nutritional potency. While ancient humans thrived on a diet of wild plants packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, today's produce often prioritizes traits like sweetness, size, and shelf life over nutritional content. Robinson shows how this shift has contributed to the decline in the natural health benefits of our food and offers practical guidance on how to make better choices to restore some of these lost nutrients. The book begins with a discussion of the evolution of our food. Wild plants, the primary source of nourishment for early humans, were naturally nutrient-dense and adapted to support human health. However, as agriculture developed, humans began selecting crops for convenience and taste rather than nutritional value. For instance, wild apples were once small and bitter, loaded with phytonutrients that offered protective health benefits. Today's apples, bred to be sweet and large, have significantly lower antioxidant levels. Similarly, the wild greens our ancestors ate were nutrient-rich but often bitter, while modern varieties like iceberg lettuce are bland and lack essential nutrients. This pattern extends across the entire spectrum of fruits and vegetables, leading to a food supply that is less beneficial to human health. Despite this decline, Robinson emphasizes that not all modern produce is nutritionally barren. She guides readers on how to identify the most nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables currently available. For example, she suggests opting for darker-skinned apple varieties like Granny Smith or Fuji, which contain higher levels of antioxidants than lighter varieties like Golden Delicious. She also highlights the nutritional superiority of smaller, darker tomatoes, such as cherry or plum tomatoes, which are richer in lycopene, an antioxidant linked to heart health and cancer prevention. Darker carrots, especially purple ones, are another standout choice, as they have higher beta-carotene levels than their common orange counterparts. Similarly, Robinson advises choosing dark, leafy greens like spinach, arugula, or romaine lettuce instead of pale options like iceberg. These insights empower readers to make informed decisions that can enhance their diets with minimal effort. Robinson doesn't stop at selecting the best produce. She also shares practical tips for storing, preparing, and cooking fruits and vegetables to maximize their nutritional value. Many common cooking methods can inadvertently destroy nutrients. For example, boiling vegetables often leaches away vitamins and minerals, whereas steaming retains more of these vital nutrients. Interestingly, she notes that cooking tomatoes can actually enhance their nutritional value by making lycopene more bioavailable. Proper storage techniques are equally important. She recommends keeping tomatoes at room temperature, as refrigeration can diminish their flavor and nutritional content. Similarly, she suggests simple preparation tricks, such as letting chopped garlic rest for 10 minutes before cooking to activate allicin, a compound with significant health benefits. Even tearing lettuce a day before consumption can boost its antioxidant levels. These tips reflect Robinson's commitment to providing actionable, science-backed strategies that readers can easily incorporate into their daily lives. A central theme of Eating on the Wild Side is the importance of phytonutrients, natural compounds in plants that play a vital role in preventing chronic diseases. These compounds, often responsible for a plant's bitter taste, deep color, or strong aroma, have been largely bred out of modern crops in favor of milder, sweeter flavors. Robinson illustrates this with examples like blueberries. Wild blueberries are much smaller and more intense in flavor compared to cultivated varieties, but contain significantly higher levels of anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress. By choosing wild or minimally cultivated varieties of fruits and vegetables, consumers can still access these powerful health benefits. Robinson also addresses the growing reliance on processed and convenience foods in modern diets. These foods, while easy to prepare and consume, are often nutrient-poor and contribute to a host of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. To counter this, she suggests practical alternatives, such as choosing frozen fruits and vegetables over canned options, as freezing preserves more nutrients. She also advocates for incorporating nutrient-rich staples like legumes, nuts, and whole grains into meals. For those with limited time or resources, Robinson recommends keeping pre-washed greens on hand or even starting a small herb garden. These small but impactful changes make healthy eating more accessible for busy individuals. Beyond individual dietary choices, eating on the wild side touches on broader issues related to food systems and sustainability. Robinson explains how the modern agricultural focus on monocultures and high-yield crops has not only reduced the nutritional quality of food, but also led to a loss of biodiversity. This loss makes crops more susceptible to pests, diseases, and the effects of climate change. To address this, she encourages readers to support local farmers, farmers markets, and organic produce whenever possible. Choosing heirloom varieties is another way to access nutrient-rich food while promoting agricultural diversity. These practices not only enhance personal health, but also contribute to a more sustainable and resilient food system. Ultimately, Robinson's book is a call to action, urging readers to rethink their relationship with food. Her advice is grounded in scientific research, but delivered in an engaging and accessible manner. For instance, small changes like choosing purple potatoes, eating sour cherries instead of sweet ones, or letting onions rest after chopping can make a significant difference in nutrient intake. Robinson's message is clear. By making informed decisions about what we eat and how we prepare it, we can reclaim some of the health benefits lost over generations of agricultural and industrial changes. In conclusion, Eating on the Wild Side is a compelling and practical guide for anyone looking to improve their diet and overall health. Joe Robinson provides a thorough analysis of how our food has changed over time and offers actionable steps to restore its lost nutritional value. The book not only empowers individuals to make better food choices, but also raises awareness about the environmental and societal impacts of modern agriculture. By following Robinson's advice, readers can transform their eating habits, enhance their health, and support a more sustainable food system. Her work serves as both a wake-up call and a beacon of hope, proving that it's never too late to start eating for optimal health.